In this video, I'll show you how to use Outgrow for lead scoring, giving you a quick, actionable guide to help you take full advantage of this powerful tool. Whether you're new to Outgrow or looking to level up your marketing strategy, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to score leads and use this data to drive your business forward. Outgrow is a great tool for interactive content like quizzes, surveys, and calculators, and one of its most valuable features is lead scoring. Lead scoring helps you prioritize leads based on how likely they are to convert, which is crucial for closing more deals and improving your ROI. What makes Outgrow stand out is that it integrates these features seamlessly into your lead generation process. Now, you can use Outgrow to assign scores to your leads based on how they respond to your quiz, survey, or calculator. For example, if you're running a quiz on your site, you can use Outgrow to assign points to different answers that indicate how engaged a lead is. The more engaged they are, the higher their score. This is powerful because it helps you focus your efforts on leads who are already showing interest and are more likely to convert. But here's the thing, Outgrow makes it incredibly easy to set up these lead scoring systems. It's not just about assigning points based on answers. You can set up triggers that send leads to specific funnels depending on their score. So if a lead has a high score, you might send them directly to a high priority sales funnel, while lower scoring leads could go into nurturing campaigns. This way, you're targeting the right leads with the right messages at the right time. To get started, first you'll need to create your interactive content, whether it's a quiz, calculator, or survey. Once that's ready, you can start setting up the lead scoring system. Outgrow allows you to assign points to different answers and even set conditions for how the leads are scored. You can also adjust the threshold for high-scoring leads, making sure you're getting the best leads into your sales pipeline. Now let's talk about integration. Outgrow integrates with a ton of CRM platforms, so when your leads score high, they automatically get added to your CRM with all the data you need. This makes follow-ups easier and more targeted, which leads to higher conversion rates. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to get even more out of your lead scoring system, Outgrow provides detailed analytics to show you how your leads are performing over time. This gives you insights into what types of content are driving the best leads and where you can improve. It's all about fine-tuning your marketing efforts to make sure you're getting the best return on your investment. Outgrow is also customizable, meaning you can tailor your lead scoring system to match your business needs. Whether you're in e-commerce, B2B, or any other industry, the lead scoring feature adapts to your specific goals. You can try Outgrow for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus just for you, an extended free trial to help you get started and test out the lead scoring features without any risk. So don't wait to improve your lead scoring system. With Outgrow, you're not just capturing leads, you're capturing the right leads. And remember, you can use Outgrow for free from the first link below with a bonus extended free trial to get you started right away.